The next step you want to do to your wreath at this point is when you want to add texture to it, or if you want to add some dimension and interest. You can use anything you find, whether it be a piece of tree limb, seashells at the seashore. You can get moss balls. You could buy some seed pods, all this type of things from the craft store. And attaching it, these are something that we could use out in the weather. It's going to keep it light. It's a cacti type of a looking flower. The easiest thing to do there is to take and run your hot glue all along the edge of it, find a way or where it's going to hit into your wreath, glue it on in, and then just slide it through. Make sure that it hits the spaces that you want, going into your wires and your wreath base. And then, depending on what it is, you could tape it or glue it on there, whatever you're using. If you're using something like a seed pod or a pine cone, you need to make sure that you take a piece of the wire from the flowers and put a little hole or something into it and glue it on so that you have a stem and it's easy to attach to the wreath. So the next step is to start adding a little bit of interest to your wreath by adding non-flower materials.